glitchy. Yo, that man glitchy. Oh, I done broke his AI.
Do you have...
I'm hurt. Get out the corner. Oh, I failed. Oh, I failed. I know you guys been waiting for me to drop some fire. And that fire being called Atomic Heart. Now, I know everybody else been playing Atomic. But have you seen me play Atomic? No, you have not. So with all things being said, me wasting no time, let's get in here. You know what? We got Peaceful Atomic, Local Malfunction, and Armageddon. Let me get that Local Malfunction. Come on, let's get in here. I'm over here lost and confused.
I really love this place. Good vibes.
The Chalamet complex was built from the ground up to be the ideal, comfortable workplace.
Mechanic Club. I've been here before.
I can't even enjoy the experience, but man.
Can we make it for the speech?
Ooh, look at all these, look at this graphics right here.
Afterwards.
Enjoy the scenery. This ain't gonna last forever.
Chalamet City floats on the Icarus platform, a feat of modern science and technology. This city in the clouds was built in 1950.
Yo, look at everything. Everything's so alive.
Scientists from all the other Soviet republics live here, including the German SSR.
Ooh, the German SSR.
You need to have an exceptionally brilliant and dedicated mind to work here.
Okay. She's been talking. Man. The future booming.
Would you care for some more soda, comrade?
You know it. Let me get some of that. How do I grab it? Let me get a taste of that.
Sure, thanks.
And we got dialogues. Yeah, buddy. Let me get a slurp. Thank you. Alright, you can have that back. Alright. Let me enjoy the scenery, Mr. Buttman.
Sorry, honey. I must have pressed the...
Looks like another bot got stuck in a tree. That always cracks me up.
Oh, man.
Still working on the robot's navigation
I ain't letting that slide.
Yeah, I noticed.
Hey. Robots in a boat.
Wow, what a beautiful day.
Nothing going wrong, just peaceful.
Good morning, my boy. How are you? Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Dr. Sechenov. I slept fine. Waiting orders.
How do you like the new glove?
Better than the old one. It's growing on me.
I'd expect nothing less. I designed the device myself. Be careful with it now. It's more important than you might think.
Yes, Dr. Sechenov. I'll keep it safe.
Report to the lab to complete your integration with the glove. I've got a full schedule today, so Mikhail Stockhausen will get you up to speed. I'll be in touch later.
Roger that.
All right, just shut it off. Count it done. And... All right, let's go.
Facility guest.
Hey, that bot's actually pretty good. Nice coordination.
Did you just praise a robot? I'm amazed.
That's because it's not constantly trying to give me unsolicited advice.
Me praising about praise me, and I can juggle about 10 of those.
Robots.
But ain't gonna hold that. Y'all some bots for letting this robot take all your attention. Can't be me. Dang. Dang. Forget a pulley, I got a robot.
Buy a copy of the Facility Herald, comrade. Breakthroughs abound.
You got blinky eye. By the time I get done looking at all this, my camera gonna blow up. Everything's so rowdy in here. Cool.
Very
Yo, they got
professionally speaking.
Ooh.
The
Mr.
robot
Clean.
is man's best friend, eh? Interesting. I'm old enough to remember Sechenov pitching the concept before the war.
Yeah, too
detailed
bad
about the
they
game.
shut down the whole robot idea.
Who knows? The damn brown plague could have ended up differently.
I know. Dreamer.
What's going on with the bot man?
I'm an engineer.
Gimme. Thank you. A second free item. Something I ain't gotta pay for. Okay. Let me get in the ring. Let me get in the ring. I put the moves on everybody.
That is the real deal.
Okay.
What a nice foot.
Talk to me, Lady Robot.
Major Nechayev reporting for duty on Comrade Sechenov's direct order.
Welcome, Comrade Major. Today is a joyful occasion. The birthday of Collective.
Yeah, many happy returns. Cut to the chase, would you? I've got places to be.
Naturally. This is the future of Soviet education. A personal project of Dr. Sechenov's Poly-Education. Gone are the days when Soviet citizens had to spend years studying at educational institutions. From this moment on, just inject a special neuropolymer encoded with the education you want, a university-level natural sciences curriculum, for example, and you'll instantly become an educated member of society. Want to learn Korean, or get a doctorate in nuclear physics, or learn to play the piano? With Collective 2.0, you can.
Yeah, been there, done that. Skip the foreplay, bot.
Excuse me.
At least I know that it was like 2050. Shoot, everybody having no job. Why? Robots. Alright. He's gonna do his own. Use magic. We gonna throw it away? Okay. You can reattach it? Oh, that's balling. That's balling. Polymer Man. Whoa. They're doing repairs. Open sesame.
Comrades, the address by the Director General of Facilities.
Continue our
Dr.
little
Sechenov
journey.
is about to begin.
Y'all stand there and waste away while I enjoy this little parade.
I love this place. No matter how many times I come here, it always amazes me. It's just so nice.
Our elevator has arrived.
Let's get into it. Let's get it.
Talk about
the
style. Science is power, I tell you. The boss has a way of looking down on insurmountable obstacles. I really respect that.
There are no obstacles science cannot surmount.
Other than an electronic glove that never shuts up.
Here is your vehicle activation code, Comrade Major.
Hold on. What you doing?
Got it.
The vehicle is waiting downstairs. You should hurry. You don't have much time.
We can take the same elevator we took to get up here.
Thanks, Einstein. What would I ever do without you?
Hey. Let me get a two-piece on my way out. Y'all roll with me real quick.
But it's still an internal combustion engine,
Alright.
right? Sure, it's a solid
Let's
machine.
hop in.
Stop progress, though.
Me and my
They're turning out new
apartment
models
key.
daily now.
This one's a gas guzzler.
So how I'm gonna ride out of here? What my engine looking? I got a V30. Start it up. Let's listen. Hey. Too close there, buddy.
Please secure your seatbelt. We wish you a very pleasant journey.
What you doing? What's that going with a nice whip? Hey, hold
Isn't
on
there
now.
supposed to be a radio in here?
The entire
hard to
Soviet
supposed to do
Union
this.
is ecstatic about the unveiling of Collective 2.0 with
Yeah, I just came
parades
from one
in
of them.
every
I get it.
city.
This
The
called flying
American
car?
government is expressing deepening concern about the skyrocketing unemployment figures following the deliveries of robotic
Politics,
workers
screw
from the
that.
We've got plenty of thought devices.
That'll
Major, the Drova's initiating combat maneuvers.
He's starting, baby.
For real?
Watch out!
What am I supposed to do
wrong
about
side.
it? What the?
You look
Do
too
not
perfect.
unfasten your seatbelt until the
We here.
vehicle has come to
We
a
going in.
complete stop.
Oh. We parking in midair, baby. We parking in midair.
You have reached your destination.
That ain't my destination.
You are now at
Ooh-wee. Oh, Lord. I done broke like 10 bones.
Take my hand, Comrade Major. I will escort you to the Vavilov complex.
Hey, I think my eardrum's busted.
What in the sweaty hell is going on here?
Unfortunately, I have no information on the subject.
bro.
All the robots
They
have
turning.
been carrying out their normal operations until they suddenly
Lord.
became hostile.
Oh, something. What they got the alarms?
What the hell are you doing, you lousy bots? Get your rusty metal
You know what
ass
you're
out
doing.
of
Don't
here!
affect
That was
nobody.
really very rude of them.
The elevator is
Lord, Lord. We get jumped.
Fuck off, bitch!
Oh, no. Put your seatbelts.
Our ascent is once again continuing normally. A Drofa towing robot will be here shortly to perform magnetic coupling and take us by air to...
Son of a bitch, not again.
Everyone
Help
says,
me, Comrade Major.
sacrificial lamb.
What the shit?
Bye-bye. You mechanical. You'll come back. Oh, this ain't good. Oh, this ain't good. Oh, you a goner. Yeah. Atomic Heart. Clap it up. That mother's sick. Wee. Yeah, this man have flashbacks. This man reviving me? What they got for me? I know they ain't gonna throw me out here barehanded. Please. Let's go. I'm gonna ask everybody a question. This water? Hey, bro, is breathable? Alright, get out of here.
I've swum through polymer plenty of times and I haven't drowned yet. It's a frickin' miracle of modern science.
Talk about it. Hey! Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, that hit me? Get out. Pigs. Y'all get it too. Yeah. Oh, they fight back. Oh, that man hurt. Now why do the pig like that?
Petrov is currently somewhere in the underground levels of the Vavilov complex. We'll have to find a way inside.
Okay, let's do it.
Get me out of here!
Hey, you! I'm coming. You alive?
Alright, this dude look mighty suspicious. What's down there? Yeah, let's escalate. Oh, he alive.
Shit! Get away
He
from
don't
me!
got you. Damn man. What do I do? Give me an action skill. Oh no. I ain't going out the toilet. Woo! He getting the hands.
Oh, go fuck
Get off
yourself!
me. Get off me. Get off me. Get your hands off me. I don't think you're doing no damage, sir. You better pass out. Help me. Nice. Talk to
What
me.
are you gawking at? Almost choked to death there. Give me a hand.
Oh, I didn't see that coming.
What's your name?
You
What's
should
your
be more
name?
careful. This place is a damn madhouse.
Yeah, I noticed.
Uh-huh.
Thanks for the help,
No
ma'am.
sweat, Sonny.
Yeah, yo.
What are you doing here
She
anyway?
being real.
Oh, just passing through. Who are you?
Me? Xena. Granny Xena. That's all you need to know.
Fine, I get it. So what's going on here? Lots of casualties.
I don't know if you noticed, but the robots are attacking people. Anyone who couldn't find a place to hide is dead meat.
Yeah.
I could really use a weapon. You got anything?
Come on now, let me something now.
Of course.
Sharon's
But I'm not giving you shit.
Dang.
Beneath us is a complex. If you need a weapon, go down there.
The Vavilov complex? That's where I'm headed.
Ah, well, today's your lucky day. I'm heading that way too. It's basically safe.
Alright, for now.
Shit! It's a Pchela!
Son of a bitch. We've got 30 seconds. Move your ass!
30 seconds until what?
30 seconds until we're Sonny boy. Royally
Let me talk to you.
Get over here, beefcake! Now! Take this key and turn it clockwise.
arsenal there, lady. What are you planning?
Here we go.
The fence.
You've been riding my
Hold
ass
it down.
for 2 days now.
Then she got this fire
Take
pop.
that.
Let me hold something.
Eat shit and die.
She putting in numbers. And it jams. This ain't looking too good.
Where'd you get that thing?
No
Give it to
way.
me.
You hang on to that key. I got this.
Oh! What? That's coming in hot. Shot a little bit too close. Oh my god.
Holy shit!
Oh my god. Oh. No, Granny! Ah! Oh, we're descending. How far though? We're falling. How far this goes? And we're still alive. Get up. Up hold. Get up, man. We're falling any lower. Alright, well, let's get it. This man had to pop the siggity. Come on, bruh.
What a goddamn clusterfuck.
Let's get it. Alright, let's get it. Thank you. And get my loot up.
We need to find a way to open this armored door.
Gee, you think? Enough with the lame advice, will ya? Why don't you tell me more about Petrov?
only you was mobile,
How'd they
my
track
friend.
him down anyway?
Petrov's betrayal was discovered by Mikhail Stockhausen. He was then arrested by the Argentum unit.
So how'd he end up here?
After the trial, Petrov was sentenced to community service and sent back here as a prisoner.
What, they couldn't find anyone else in the whole Soviet Union to do his job?
Collective's launch was only a few months away. Replacing the lead engineer would have been foolish. Petrov had to finish what he'd started, and that's what they made him do.
What's so special about the guy?
Victor Petrov was previously the lead engineer of a secret department within the Academy of Consequences, dedicated to programming robots for Collective 2.0.
Right.
This place is dangerous! I could get killed!
Yeah, you gonna have to wait just a tad bit, my friend. Loot it up. And that got us in there yapping. Even my key to salvation. Alright, bet. Now we'll be free. Hold your horses.
Turn the handle and open the door!
Open. Come on, let's get it. Let go. My God, you're free. Come on now. Use your muscles.
Shit.
Oh, I got one toe, my boy. Oh. That bad. Oh, he got grabbed. Yeah, I like how this bitch is gonna walk up in there too. You'd be lucky not to get snatched of that poor soul. Jeez, bro. What's in here? Yeah, we got a safe area. Say less. Alright.
Saving data.
Nice.
And the machines rose from the ashes.
Shoot.
May I give you some advice?
I'm kind of busy right now.
How do I dodge?
Try to avoid the robot's more powerful attacks.
Powerful.
Attacks performed by a robot during a power surge are especially dangerous and may knock you down.
Get off on a
Shingo, why didn't you tell me that before?
Yep. I don't know how to dodge. Time. I didn't even know I had this. Let's get it.
Sneak up on the robot and perform a stealth attack. I'll use the opportunity to permanently disable it.
Bet. Let's get to it. Woo. Oh, come on. No, I failed. Dang it. I miss. Get off me. I miss. Oh, I'm in trouble. Get off me. Oh, my Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, they just jog up to you. Ah, I missed. I just wasted all my shots. Alright. jogging towards me. Oh, shoot. Bro. Leave me alone real quick. Dang it! Jump! Get off! Oh, it hurt bad. It hurt me bad. Oh, get off! Ooh-wee! Oh my goodness! What you want to do? Come on! Oh, I'm hurt! I'm dead. Right here. What's going on? Talk about it. What y'all want to do? Yeah. Hold on, is it 3 y'all? Get out the corner. Oh, I failed. Nope, get off me. Yep, sit down. Goodness. Alright, let's get it. Where'd I go?
Something's wrong.
Oh, shit! Whoa! Man, if they touch me, it's game over. Look at me. Oh, no. Hold up. Oh, I'm dead. Let's get it. Man, my boy done took a beating.
Come on, get up, soldier. Great, just a little more.
Okay, here we
you
go.
okay?
I'm fine.
How many fingers?
4.
Great, now get up. I need your help.
Who are they?
They brought you here. Put pressure on this wound.
It's the soldiers.
They tried to save you.
And who are you?
Doctor.
You got a name?
No time for small talk.
God damn.
Forceps.
What is your name?
I'm on it.
Get me them.
What's this doing here?
What took you so long?
Man.
You got a neuropolymer
We
capsule.
don't need one.
So what's your name, Doc?
Larissa, and you ask a lot of questions.
You know what? You're on your own. You got this.
Where are you going? It's useless. We don't have the equipment.
I've got the equipment. Great. Now we're getting
How
somewhere.
did you do that?
You ask a lot of questions.
Save your life for the traitor.
Get out! Larissa!
I don't want to die!
Bro, stay on the ground. That guy's pretty too. This man did not see me with a jump scare. Ain't gonna throw me like a rag doll.
Holy shit! Avoid the beam!
What's going on, my boy? Everything gonna let that slide? Sit down. What's going on? Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh! Sit down. What's up? Oh, sit down.
Over here, you little fucker!
No. Down he goes.
Terminated. Charles,
messing with?
Where does the shaft Larissa crawled into go?
It's hard to say. The ventilation system contains a large number of branching ducts.
Fine. I can deal with it later.
Yep. Yeah. First try.
It worked.
Get me in the door. Talk about a creepy scent. We just walked down this creepy corridor. Let's hop in here. Try the night.
What the fuck?
Oh!
Fuck me!
Oh, what a stud! I can't get enough. Let's
Don't be so rough. Here we go. Don't slam me. Get a concussion.
To fight back, sugar. You're gonna love this.
Don't let her bind your arms.
It's already too
Can't
late.
you see I'm trying?
Go
Open to
me.
suggestions!
Bring me to her sensor manipulator, quick!
How titillating! Rebellious dominant men really turn me on.
Oh, I'll turn you all right. Just let me
Close
at
enough.
you.
What a brute!
Come on now.
I
Come on
love
now.
Guys,
Go
I
close.
love
Come on, come on, come on.
fire!
Closer!
I don't
can't
like
reach
how you,
her!
I don't like how you
I'm
talking.
trying, I'm trying.
It's wild.
She's one strong-ass bitch.
I'm at your service, sugar. Anything
Come on.
for my master? What can I do for you?
Nah. Hey, these for sale.
More skills will become available to you soon. But choose shock for now.
Nice. Alright.
You were fortunate enough to acquire about 50 grams of neuropolymer. I suggest exchanging this dose with lovely Nora for a new skill. You don't mind, do you?
Oh, give me.
Oh, how can I resist? Now let me show you what I can do. Professionally, I mean.
I've seen it. Literally. Crispy critters.
I'm here to help you upgrade your red-hot pocket rockets. And believe me, handsome, you can upgrade whatever tickles your fancy.
Weapons are useful. Open the corresponding window, Major.
Get rid of that glove, handsome. You don't need him anymore now that you've got me. I'll service you however you want. Got a sword? A massive sword? Thrust it deep into my socket so I can make it sturdier and sharper.
Nora can upgrade weapons and equipment, as well as manufacture new items from blueprints.
But I can do so much more. A quick romp with your axe is just a taste of things to come, you handsome beast. Did you enjoy it, big guy?
Yeah.
Know about that.
Cool.
Use this powerful weapon to split the skulls of your enemies and bring me gifts so we can get down and dirty.
Whoa.
I'll show you what real smut feels like.
Why should I bring you gifts?
Girls like being pampered.
Because the repair vendor needs resources to break them down and produce items. Luckily for us, it's not very picky, although some upgrades may call for unique components.
I take it the facility is full of all kinds of junk.
It is indeed, Comrade Major.
I'll keep an eye out then.
I can't wait for your strong hands to grope my interface with lustful abandon.
That's it. We're done here. Let's go.
Hey. When all things said and done, I got like $1. Let me get one of those bots. No question with that said. Let's continue.
Hey,
Cookie
let's put a
insert.
cookie in there. Yeah, even locks like cookies, right? Charles?
Yes?
Do you like cookies?
Ahem.
4 on the technical. Yo, let's get it. Open. Yeah. Dang. What the heck happened in here?
This is a passive security system with a laser relay. I've seen stuff like this plenty of times. You need a color code.
Unfortunately, we don't have any codes. You'll have to try to decipher it using logic.
Seriously? Like I was gonna stand here until it turns off on its own.
Look at this. Only pass security relay function by putting in mechanic fluxes in the correct order. Yes. Wow, okay. Oh, okay, I get it.
Try to match the colors of the laser beams with the colors of the...
Yeah, the power's on.
There we
Let's
go.
head back.
That was freaking easy. That dude menacing looking at me. Yeah, I see you. Look on me. Yeah, that man glitching. Yo, that man glitching. Oh, I done broke his eye. Oh. Oh my god. What was that? Leave. You still hit me. Wait, what the freak was that? Heal. Oh my god. Where's that one? Okay. That power attack. Huh? Yeah, I got you 2 goons over there, Mr. Gish McGee.
You can swim through polymer. I've done it before. It's nice, actually. Kind of like swimming with whales and dolphins in the ocean. It's so peaceful.
Time. Yo, bro, my man just glitching. Yo, I could just yo, my game's glitched. There we go. It's fixed. Let's get it. It's talking. And we back. Working order. What is in my ear? Alright.
I'm sorry. Cable car is offline. Reboot the control system to reactivate the line.
How am I supposed to restart the line? There's the control panel. And of course it's locked. You guys just love these things, don't you? This is a new one. A combination lock. It'd take me a year to guess the combo.
Look around. Maybe someone has the code. The schematic. Need to find the schematic.
We're now witnessing
what was that?
of Soviet urban development.
They won't go without a schematic. All stuck. No schematic. No go.
Fuck me, he's alive.
Schematic. Need a schematic. Unfortunately, he's dead. We are surrounded by corpses. Why have they frozen just like everything here? They won't go. Nope. Won't go without the schematic. The dead have a residual neuropolymer memory and are capable of communicating for some time after death.
Shoot, there it is.
Schematic. Vasily, you hear me?
Charles. So this isn't a dead person talking to me. It's the neuropolymer in his noggin, right?
Crudely speaking, yes. As it fades away, neuropolymer memory temporarily stores the individual's last thoughts.
Creepy. Nice. How long are they gonna talk for?
I can't say exactly. Somewhere between a minute and a couple of days. But it seems the more time passes after death, the more corrupt the information becomes.
I see. So the stuff they're saying isn't always that important. Poor bastards. I hope this works.
The cable car line is activated. Welcome, passengers. Please take your seats
Travel time.
We are
Sorry,
to depart.
no ticket.
10,
Yeah.
9, 8,
Don't forget your seatbelts.
7, 6.
Hopefully it ain't too rough.
Ugh, this
Little
tunnel's
roller
messed up.
coaster.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Let's get it. Hey, safe rides. Smooth sailing. Yo. Oh. They gotta get fast. Nope. Moving. Oh, damn bro. Hey. Oh, right now. Yeah, at least we didn't land into a wall.
Fuck. I knew it was gonna be rough.
Hey. Oh,
Careful.
shoot.
There's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
We need to find a way to
Y'all
move
gonna jump me?
forward. But frankly, I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the wall. That's how.
Do you have...
I'm hurt. There we go, that's much better. Progress. Finally. Woo. Oh, look how deep that is. Oh my god, what the heck?
Holy shit. That was a
Bro, my
surprise.
whole entire
I
screen
agree.
is
You've
red
got
flash.
quick reflexes, Major.
You bet.
Wait.
I wouldn't survive without him.
Alright, whatever. Woo! I ain't dying today.
Charles, that was a Barov, right? A tunneling robot.
Indeed it was. Barovs can drill through even the hardest minerals at incredible speed. Soviet science has high hopes for them in regard to our inevitable conquest of all the planets in the solar system.
Wait, huh? No time for you. Oh, yo. What's up in here?
Oh, a laser wall. That's some serious security.
Hey, they try to keep
People put
something
them
out.
up for a reason. If you see one, that means there's something important on the other side.
Quite right, Comrade Major. The distribution center we're looking for is, in fact, on the other side.
There's no way I'm making it through a laser wall in one piece.
There's a repair vendor up ahead. Try upgrading your equipment to increase your laser resistance.
Not a pervy lunatic fridge.
I already died like 2 times. I ain't testing if I can get killed by these lasers. There's a test up right there. That ain't me.
Honey, you're back. What took you so long? I was so lonely.
Uh-huh. Like, I need to go through a laser wall. Preferably alive.
What a silly idea, honey. That's awful risky. You should stay with me instead. I'll do whatever you want.
Yeah, let me get that razor resistance just so I can
Just give me laser protection.
Oh, so brutal. I'm shaking. Squirt your
All right, I get it. You'll get your polymer
I
and
got
your precious
100
components.
polymers.
Just install the laser protection already.
Whatever you say, stud. Upgrade initiated. Relax and enjoy. Just promise you'll talk dirty to me again.
I am so gonna punch you.
Yes, yes! Punish me, master!
Your defense system is active. Try to run through the laser wall.
After that creepy shit, I'd be willing to run through any wall.
Yeah! Dang!
That hurt! That thing packs a punch. I almost bought the farm there.
The key word being almost.
You got that right.
Almost.
Let's go find that traitor. When I get
Almost
my
died.
hands on him, I'm gonna rip his fucking...
I don't know the language. Yeah, jeez, bro. Look at this. Look at these cutscenes.
Is everything ready? Did you pull it off?
Don't worry, honey. I'm right as rain. The operation was totally painless.
Good. You need to leave right now. There's a man coming for you. He's armed and wearing an experimental polymer glove.
That's me.
Must be Sechenov's guy. Larissa, did you talk to him?
He was attacked by a Burav. We took him to the infirmary and then... I didn't know. I couldn't just let him bleed out.
Well, you should have. It would have saved us a whole lot of trouble.
He's panicking.
It scares me when you talk like that.
I'll meet you at the exit. I'm right behind you, honey. I just hope we're not too late.
Hope can be dangerous. Hands up!
Victor?
What's going on?
You deaf? Hands behind your head.
Victor!
The hell are you?
Major Nichaya Special Operations, and that's the last question you get. You're going to Chalamet.
Save yourself!
Chalamet. Of course, Comrade Major. Intrusion. Huh? Intrusion! Hey, freeze!
Lockdown in
He done done me dirty. Hold on. I'm in a fight right now. Hold up. Oh, I'm not ready for this. Hold on.
He's pretty good at ordering those robots around. It's almost like they're his property. And he locked the goddamn door.
Petrov ran off with a mobile power source called a candle. It powers the emergency lockdown system. This door cannot be opened without a candle.
I'll find another one.
Hey, this
There's
is
gotta
a
be
good
more
time
than
to
one
end the
candle in
video.
this complex, right?
We need to hurry.
Hey, I was
Otherwise,
expecting the
Petrov will
cutscene.
escape the
I was
sector
not
and we'll have
expecting
to
the
track
fight.
him down again.
Hey, will y'all let me talk? Yeah, it is a good time to go. Hey, say it's simple and sweet. Like and subscribe, and if y'all want to see any more videos, I guess a like go of probably 10 or so, and I'll play the next one. Until then, hey, let's keep our head intact, and let's not be a moron like this dude. I'll see y'all in the next one. Until then.